Yeah, some of you may be curious about the dinosaur skulls that are installed on my shelf, or like where to buy them. Because like right now, there's some dinosaur lovers that are probably going to want something like that for a Christmas present. Well, you can get them off eBay. They're called dinosaur resin skulls, but it's the species you want to get right. Yeah, you got some good ones on there, but most of them are like really substandard. Just like cheaper looking ones, like only like for fools. That you dino fanatics out there, you're not fools. You know exactly what you want. So let's start off with the first one. Got a Ceratosaurus skull. Yeah, I always go for the red look. They come in different colours. They come in bone white or like a charcoal black. Check that out. Yeah, they're 3D printed. Okay, we have a Monolophosaurus. Yeah. Now, this actually shattered. I was having work done on my place. This actually shattered, but I managed to repair it. The same way like a paleontologist reconstructs the bones and the skeleton and all that. Yeah, it was a real effort. And last, Dilophosaurus. That's the first one I got. And I decided to get all three. Yeah, they've got a Cryolophosaurus and they've got Velociraptor skull on there. They've got a T-Rex skull, but the T-Rex skull, it doesn't look right. Now, for your information, these aren't actually expensive at all. Like in in British pounds, they're like 13 quid for each, and there's like free postage. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you dinosaur lovers, can like get hold of one of these.